This is Stephanie Johnson. We are going to record in this session how to be able to create a quick chart. So I have this data set here that I was using for AutoSum. I'm going to expand this so we can see Wednesday as well. I want to be able to quickly be able to create a chart for the data that I see. Charts are located under the insert ribbon. I can highlight any data and go and use any of these charts here. We actually have videos on all the different charts that are created and how you can use the different charts, what are their purposes and things like that. But for here, we're just going to do a quick chart. I just want a regular column chart from the highlighted data. I put my cursor inside of the data, not on the formulas, and then hit Control A. That will select all of my data. I do want all of this data in the chart. I can go under Insert and and select a chart type, but for here I want a column chart. So all I'm going to do is go to my keyboard, hit the Alt button next to my space bar, and I'll hit F1. So Alt and then F1. That quickly created a chart. Imagine having a chart created in less than 10 seconds. Once you highlight the data, you can create the chart, change the chart title. I'm going to go ahead and make this to be sales. And then at that point, I have my chart for my data that's above. So if you wanted to be able to create a chart for less data, then you could simply highlight that particular data. Maybe I only want 4 customers and over to Wednesday. Then if I hit my Alt F1 again, then at that point, it creates a chart for what I've selected. So use your quick chart to be able to create an embedded chart right within your data. One of the bonus tips here is if I select the data and I don't want it embedded in the same item, then at that point I could hit F11 on my keyboard. When I hit that, it creates a chart, but it creates it on a separate tab. Notice I was here in AutoSum, but it created its own page with the data, but it is actually connected to this data here. So that's how to be able to create a chart using the shortcut. Hope you enjoyed this session to create charts within just a few seconds.